It's time for something new for the iPhone 8. In this episode of TB News, we've heard the old rumors for a while now. Perhaps a 5.7 to 5.8 OLED screen wrapping all the way around, the fingerprint sensor being built right into the screen, new camera sensors, different sizes. Something we haven't heard yet just surfaced from Cowen & Company analysts who's claiming that we are going to have facial recognition built into the phone. To save you the time, Android did do it first. In fact, I think actually Microsoft did it first with Windows Phone. We don't know if it's going to be some sort of retinal scanning or facial recognition, but somehow the iPhone 8, if you want to believe Cowen & Company, is going to have facial and or gesture recognition. So here's the full quote. So Timothy Curry, the analyst, said, and I quote, "Features appear to include some form of facial or gesture recognition supported by new laser sensor and infrared sensor mounted near the front-facing camera as expected, and should also finally include wireless charging." Finally. I've been saying wireless charging like every year on the iPhone for the past like 5. So eventually I'm gonna be right, and I'm gonna brag on that year that I knew it was coming. I just had foresight like 6 years ago. So whether or not any of this is gonna happen, who knows, but it looks like the iPhone is really starting to take shape, although we're still about 8.5 months from the September 2017 launch, so you're still okay with your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. So again, the rumors look like we're gonna have 3 different phones. Perhaps that this facial recognition is gonna be reserved for that top line phone that's gonna have that OLED display with a glass back allegedly as well. So if you're a fan of the iPhone 4 design, you're going to be happy. Hopefully, iPhone 8, you don't have to have directions on how to hold it properly to get signal reception. So facial recognition is kind of cool. It can be used for security, perhaps in place of or to supplement some sort of Touch ID. Perhaps the Touch ID sensor is going to go away. Maybe they couldn't get it to work in the screen. It could also just be used to unlock your phone in a kind of cool and novel way. Also, smile recognition, take pictures. LG's got it, take a smile, snaps. So iPhone 8 rumors shaping up, September launch coming soon. You excited about this? Do you care if you're already bolted to Android? Are you waiting to get that hot new phone? And supposedly we'll also have better waterproofing all the way up to IP68. So, hey, that's good. So next time, I'm John Renter from Techno Buffalo. I'm pointing a lot. You guys always yell at me, I just gesticulate too much. So this is for you. I'll see you guys. See you guys in the next video.